Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Leo Chan, Levitate Style. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I get my haircut. Let's go. All right, so right now we're in the heart of Chinatown, right here in New York City. I am going to my friend's here, Tim at 12 Pell. He's gonna take care of me. I gotta get my haircut every 2 weeks to stay fresh. I'm gonna show you how it's done. All right, let's go.
If it gets like to this length, it comes kind of like shoots this way.
Yeah, gotcha.
Right? Yeah.
That's why I gotta cut it every 2 weeks.
Straightening out his sides because with Asian hair, it tends to shoot out. I'm gonna bald out the bottom because he asked for a skin fade. We're gonna go with the mid skin fade. Mid meaning starting at the middle of the head, going underneath. I'm gonna use the electric shaver to bald everything else out. Everything on the bottom that I used with the trimmers, completely make it bald. Cool, so the next step is the no guard open. Now I'm using this clipper to blend out the line that I've made with the trimmers. Going from no guard open to no guard closed to knock out these lines right here. There's no guard open and no guard closed. So I'm gonna use the mirror right now just to check my work. I see that there's a dark spot over here in this section. I'm gonna knock that out with a 1 guard. Sometimes when the head dips in around this area,
yeah,
I tend to use the corners to blend a little better. Very, very tight on the top section. So I'm gonna use the last guard, which is a 1.5. These can be very annoying for you when they grow out, right?
Yeah.
When it's like, when your head is not straight.
It's so noticeable too.
Yeah. Try to be careful not to dig in because we don't want to round off the head. We want to keep a very masculine shape. I'm gonna do a little bit more blending. I checked my work, so I'm gonna go back to the no guard and use the corner to blend out the little hairs that are dark. So we're gonna use the trimmers again. We're gonna line up the front. As you can see, there are little pieces of hair that grew out. So we're gonna line all that up. Here's the headrest. Along with the hot towel, we're gonna add some eucalyptus oil, and this should promote relaxation. So breathe deeply through your nose. As I'm shaving, I'm stretching out the skin, holding the razor as close as 10 degrees as I can. Did you want me to do your eyebrows today?
Yeah, let's go.
Awesome. I usually just keep it very natural. I don't usually like to create too much shape. This touch would make a big difference. You don't have to do too much.
Thank you, my man Tim, for the fresh haircut. Really appreciate it. And finally making this haircut video possible. If you guys have any questions about haircuts, all that kind of stuff, make sure to leave it in the comments and we'll cover it in the next video. Thanks, man.
Until next time. Thank you.